Hi everyone, meet Ethan Yoshida. He ordered from Amazon and is not satisfied with his purchase, but he does not know how to return his order. Follow our 4-step easy guide. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to www.amazon.com and sign into your Amazon account. Enter your registered email or phone number and password. Step 2. Hover over and select Returns and Orders as shown. Click on the item you want to return and select Return or Replace Item. It will prompt you for a reason for your return. Select the appropriate choice from the drop-down menu by clicking as shown on screen. Next, select your preferred refund method. You may choose to receive the refund either in your Amazon account balance that can be used for future purchases made through Amazon, or back in your credit or debit card as shown. Next, select your preferred return method. You may print a return label, pack the box, and schedule a pickup or drop it off to the nearest Amazon drop-off location shown to you. Once you've selected the method, click on Confirm Your Return. In case you select a label-free, box-free return, then you will receive a QR code in email. You can then take the item to the drop-off location and show the digital QR code where they will pack it for you and return conveniently. You can view your return, refund status for the item by clicking on Your Orders and Return or Refund Status. Congratulations, you are all set. Ethan can now return his orders on Amazon conveniently with just a few clicks. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to like and subscribe. This video is presented by the Boomerem, a non-profit organization that aims to bridge the global digital divide.